Paul is now in community with the people that he was on the way to persecute. That is revolutionary. That's what the church should be like. The church should be a growing community of people that in the world were on the road to division. Oh my gosh, 2024 is a political year. It's a presidential election year. Lord have mercy. The war is still going on in Israel and Palestine. Lord have mercy. There's still mass shootings. Lord have mercy. A family in this city lost a 10-year-old boy. That right around the holidays, that should never happen. But the church should be a place where we can find refuge, where we can find security and safety and grace and love. We're divided out there, but we can be reconciled in here. We can be united in here. We can claim peace in here and go out there as reconcilers and peacemakers. We need to be a church that equips and releases into the world cross-cultural, reconciling, justice-oriented disciple makers into a broken, upside-down world. This is who Midtown Church is as a community of hope, health, and healing.